Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video, we will learn Arabic letters from Alif till Kha with the pictures. Arnabun, rabbit. Arnabun, rabbit. Battatun, duck. Battatun, duck. Tufahatun, apple. Tufahatun, apple. Thalibun, fox. Thalibun, fox. Jamalun, camel. Jamalun, camel. Hisanun, horse. Hisanun, horse. Kharufun, sheep. Kharufun, sheep. Once all together, Arnabun, rabbit. Battatun, duck. Tufahatun, apple. Thalibun, fox. Jamalun, camel. Hisanun, horse. Kharufun, sheep. All the best.